Hey everyone, today I will show you how to mute and unmute stories on Instagram using simple steps. Let's start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and logging into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the home screen, look at the Stories bar at the top where you see profile pictures of people you follow. To mute a story, press and hold the profile picture of the person whose story you want to mute. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen with different options. Tap on the option called Mute. After that, you will see two choices. One will be Mute Story and the other will be Mute Story and Posts. Select Mute Story if you only want to stop seeing their stories. The profile will move to the end of the Stories bar and their updates will no longer appear at the front. There is another way to mute stories. Go to the profile of the person you want to mute. Once on their profile, tap on the following button and then tap on Mute from the list. Here, you can switch on the toggle for stories to mute them. This method works the same and is useful if you want more control. If you ever change your mind, you can unmute the stories anytime. That is how you can mute and unmute stories on Instagram easily. Thanks for watching.